Hi, first grader, welcome back. So today we're going to draw a picture of a lion because our story of the week was Little Red and the Very Hungry Lion. So we're going to draw a lion today. Now let's start with drawing a head, and the head is going to be like this, probably in the middle of the page, about this big. So let's draw an oval like this. There we go. Maybe even that was too big. So I'm actually going to make it a little bit smaller because we need room for the mane. So let me go ahead and erase and try again. Here we go. Now, after you draw the head, remember you can pause if you need to pause this video. But after you draw the head, I want you to draw the nose. And we're going to draw the nose by making a flat shape and then coming down almost like a blown up triangle with no corners. So like this. Just like that. Perfect. Now, after we draw the nose, let's go ahead and make lines for the face, coming about halfway off the nose, and it's going to be like two rainbows. Now, after we draw the lines for the face, you can draw a line straight down, and then it's going to split like this for its mouth. And that will be the lines for the mouth. I'm actually going to even erase this one and only go there. You know what? Let's erase again. So let's go this way like that. Perfect. And there's his mouth. And so our lion in our story was pretty crazy. So let's go ahead and draw his eyes and his eyebrows. So let's draw his eyes. Oops. So there's two eyes. And let's make his eyes look kind of crazy by putting one pupil right here and the other one up top. We can make him look like he's kind of crazy. And now let's do his eyebrows. So we'll make little scribbles in a straight line for one eyebrow, and then little scribbles in a straight line for his other eyebrow. Perfect. All right. Now we're going to draw his whiskers, and so they're going to come off of his face like this, and then we'll get to drawing his mane and other things. Okay, so let's draw the whiskers. All right. So just 3 whiskers on each side of his face. All right, perfect. And now after we draw the whiskers, let's draw the ears. So I'm going to put one ear here, the other ear here, and he's going to kind of look like a bear right now. All right, and when you're done with that, then we could start drawing his mane. And I want you to look what I'm going to do. So I'm going to start about a couple finger spaces away from the top, and I'm just going to start drawing big back and forth zigzag lines around his head. So watch. I'm making some of them kind of curvy. There we go. And there's his mane. So now you can color this the colors of the lion, and maybe you can even put a background.